Today, we're comparing two popular investment platforms, Vanguard and Freetrade. Both are well known in the investing community, but they have distinct features and benefits. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, understanding these differences can help you decide which platform suits your needs best. Let's delve into the details. Vanguard offers a wide range of investment options, including mutual funds, ETFs, bonds, and stocks. They also provide retirement accounts and college savings plans. Free Trade, on the other hand, primarily focuses on stocks and ETFs. Additionally, Free Trade's mobile app offers a sleek, user-friendly interface, and their Free Trade Plus package includes additional features like limit orders and expanded market hours. In terms of pricing, Vanguard charges a low expense ratio for their funds, but they do have a $20 annual account service fee, waived if you opt for electronic delivery of statements. Free Trade offers a basic free account, but for access to more features and stocks, they charge $9.99 per month for their Free Trade Plus account. Vanguard's web interface is a bit dated but functional, while their mobile app gets the job done but lacks the polished feel of newer apps. On the other hand, Freetrade's user interface, especially on mobile, is very modern and intuitive, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those who prefer a more streamlined experience. Wise, Vanguard's long-standing reputation and track record speak volumes. Their funds, particularly their index funds, have consistently performed well over the years. Freetrade, being a newer platform, doesn't have the same historical performance to draw on, but their focus on democratizing investing has been well received by users. Both Vanguard and Freetrade prioritize security. Vanguard, with its long history, has robust systems in place and is SIPC insured in the U.S. Freetrade, while newer, is also secure and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, with client assets held in segregated accounts. Choosing a winner depends on your needs as an investor. For a wide range of investment options and a proven track record, Vanguard is the winner. However, if you prioritize a modern user interface, mobile experience, and simpler investment options, Freetrade comes out on top. Ultimately, the best platform is subjective and varies based on individual investor needs. Both Vanguard and Freetrade have their strengths and can serve different types of investors well. It's crucial to understand your investment goals and preferences before choosing a platform. We hope this comparison has given you a clearer picture of what each platform offers. Thank you for watching this comparison video. We hope you found it insightful. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparison reviews and investment advice. Your support helps us create more content for you. Happy investing!